Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can change the resolution of your Streamlabs. So it's really easy. What you want to do is click on the settings, then go to video, and voila, here you got it. Base Canva resolution, I honestly recommend 1090x20. If you have a lower PC, like it's not that great, go with the output resolution 1080. Or if you have strong PC, just go 1090x20, and then downscale, I just leave it to the middle. This is like if you have the more sharpened, the more usage of the computer it takes. Then common FPS value, and common FPS value you can choose. If you're gonna stream on 60, you can choose 60. What I recommend is, like, when you start streaming, your commentators will say to you that it's kind of laggy, that you should change it or you should do something else. So you can choose 60, 30, 40, whatever. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write me in the comments down below what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. And yeah, I don't know what else I would tell you. Goodbye.